I don't know how much you've been able to find out, but Eri is the Hasaikai boss's granddaughter.
You might remember her, Chisaki. Look after her.
If it brings Overhaul closer to achieving his goal, he will use anything and anyone. That's the kind of man he is.
You send me away to find them a fortune, a chest filled with diamonds and gold. The house was awake with shadows and monsters. The hallways, they echoed and groaned. I sat alone in bed till the morning. I'm crying, they're coming for me. I tried to hide these secrets
Eri.
my mind's like a deadly disease. I'm bigger than my body.
You know how this goes.
I'm colder than this.
How many times do I have to tell you?
Meaner than my demons.
It's your fault.
I'm bigger than these.
I always have to get my hands dirty because of your selfishness. We can fix this world.
What are you doing to this girl?
Let's go home, Eri.
Eri, are you sure?
She's always like this.
We'll get Eri away from him next time, and we'll protect her!
Someone else is about to die because of you! Is that really what you want? Eri!
It's not. I'll come back.
You won't lay another finger on her! I will save her! Eri!
I have to trust him.
You belong to me. Give her back!
I'm bigger than my body. I'm colder than this. Oh, I'm meaner than my demons. I'm bigger than the